Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today I'm going to go over how to check and adjust the rear brakes on your Yamaha G29. This procedure will be the same whether you have the Drive1 or the Drive2. After removing the rear tire from your cart, go ahead and remove your brake drum. You need to make sure that your parking brake is not set for the drum to come off. If you can't get your drum to come off of the machine, a couple of things you should check is make sure that there's not too much tension on your brake cable. You may need to loosen your brake cable up at the brake pedal so that the shoes will release from the drum more. You can also use 2 bolts inserted into the hub in the holes that are threaded, and that'll help push against the hub to drive the drum off. The wear limit on the brake shoes is 1.5 millimeters. The wear limit on the inside of the drum is 166 millimeters. You can make an adjustment back here at the brake itself by turning the brake adjustment. You want to adjust the shoes out as far as you can while still being able to reinstall the brake drum and spin it freely without having too much drag. If you adjust the shoes too far out, you won't be able to get the drum reinstalled. So you have to release the finger that is holding the brake adjuster from going backwards and allow it to turn back a couple of clicks to where you can get the brake drum reinstalled. Once you have checked and adjusted your brakes at the drum, then you can check your brake pedal free play. To check the brake pedal free play on these carts, you're going to use a tape measure and push on the pedal with 2 fingers and measure how far the pedal is traveling. If you need to make an adjustment, you're going to loosen the jam nut using 2 12mm wrenches and either tighten or loosen the adjustment screw. You will notice this adjustment screw has notches that it falls into every half revolution. So you need to make your adjustments in half turns. Once you've got your free play adjusted to 1 inch, use your 2 wrenches to hold the adjustment screw in place and tighten the jam nut back down. This brake pedal is traveling from 5 5/8 down to 4 5/8, which is right at 1 inch, which is where we want it. Be sure to check out our website, powerequipmentman.com. That's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.